Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Dan Public School and College. Students, this is our last lecture of unit number 2. Today our topic is possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Before knowing the possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun, let's know about pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. It may be a subject or object of a sentence. When a pronoun is used at the place of a subject, it will called subject pronoun, and if when a pronoun used at the place of object in a sentence, it is called object pronoun. As we have learned that pronoun is used instead of a noun. So I, we, you, he, she, it, they are the pronoun that are used in place of a noun. Student, let's move to the possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? A pronoun that shows ownership is called a possessive pronoun. For example, mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs are called possessive pronoun. Students, in this table you can see if a pronoun used as a subject of a pronoun, we will use I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And if a pronoun is used as an object of a pronoun, we will use me, us, you, him, her, it, them. And we will use mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs as possessive pronouns. Here are some examples for you. In first example, this donkey is mine. Its name is King Kong. In first sentence, mine is used as a possessive pronoun. The cat is eating food in its tree house. Its. Your rabbit is adorable but not as adorable as ours. Is these glasses yours? Yours is show possession. This jewelry set is hers. Hers is shows possession. He lent me his camera. His is possessive pronoun in this sentence. This ship is possession. There is Let's used move to the reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun is a form of pronoun which is used when the object in a sentence refers to the same person or thing as the subject of the sentence. For example, myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. Students, let's note the use of reflexive pronoun in these examples. I caught sight of myself in the mirror. In this sentence, myself is reflexive pronoun that refers back to the subject of the sentence I. We prepared ourselves for the long journey. Ourselves is reflexive pronoun here, which refers back to we. Be careful with the knife or you will cut yourself. Yourself is reflexive pronoun here. Come and warm yourselves by the fire. Yourselves. He writes letter to himself. Himself is used as reflexive pronoun here. He kept telling herself that nothing had gone wrong. In this sentence, herself is refer back to the subject of the sentence she. So herself is the reflexive pronoun. Here are some other examples for you in which reflexive pronoun has used. I was trying to fix the nail but I hurt myself. In first example, myself, then herself, yourselves, himself, itself, and themselves are used as reflexive pronoun, and these reflexive pronouns refers back to the subject of the sentence. Students, note down your homework on page number 15 of your English A book. There are given some examples of possessive pronoun. You have to write these sentences on your assignment file. And on page number 16, there is question number 8. Question number 8. Write sentences using the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun को यूज़ करके आपने sentences बनाने. And you have to do this homework on your assignment file. Thank you very much.